Welcome everybody to the NCF Winter Olympics opening ceremony. Look at this place. Snow falling, fireworks lighting up the night, that torch throwing heat all the way to the rafters. Here the NCF Winter Olympics. Let the curbs compete.
Comes the NCF rooftop curb, dropping in for its attempt. Speeds building quickly on the in-run, snow spraying in its wake. Off the table, huge launch. Look at the height, perfectly balanced, gliding like it's on rails, still carrying speed as it floats down the...
Dropping in, smooth edge set, speed building right away. Off the left wall, huge air time. Slow spin, touches the deck for the grab, textbook control. Sends up the right side, even bigger now, look at the height. Perfect rotation, bolts that landing. Curbs diving head first into the ice chute. Look at that speed. The blue NCF frame dead center. Rock solid through the first drop. Sparks from thigh bar on the wall. And they're off.
Rooftop curbs flying down the forest course. NCF out front, smooth and fast. CDWHO wobbling. Clips the bank but stays upright. Here comes the rain. Competitor settling in. First shot from CDWHO. Accuracy.
From the other curves. Look at this. A whole traffic jam on the button. CDHO sideways. Mini Metals is leaning on its cousin. That's not pretty. All right, watch this line. NCF curve. Clean glide. Teammate just swept it. Spotless contact. Boom. Kicked him over the curve. Pun absolutely.
Five curbs on the line. Here we go. Gates open. Watch. CDWHO sliding sideways already. Sparks flying. Thigh bar clips the wall. Mini Metals shaking apart. And look at that NCF curve. Silky smooth on the line. To the here we go. Steady WHO drops in. Looking for something big. Oof. That's a washout. Thigh bar. Same story. Can't hang on. Mini Metals. Gnarly spin. No KCC. Off axis and down. Now the NCF.
Here comes the NCF roof curve. Smooth as glass. Gliding onto the Olympic ice like it owns the place. Look at that spin. Perfect center. Glowing edges carving a halo. That landing. Effortless. NCF
off the ramp. The CDWHO curve. Little lift. And it's short. Thigh bar follows. Wobbling midair. Rough landing. Mini Metal. Same story. KCC down early again. Now here comes NCF. The last to jump. Huge speed off the table. Look at.
Big day in the mountains, y'all. Alpine Slalom Finals Rooftop Curve Edition. Watch this. And the gates pop. 5 curves charging down the hill. NCF out front early. Carving strong. CDWHO trying to stay with him. Oh, catches a pole and goes.
The start gate comes the NCF rooftop curb, accelerating down the in-run. Snow spraying in its wake. It is flying off the table. Massive launch. Look at the height. Holding perfectly still in the glide. Lights dancing off. NCF curb out strong. Carving clean line. CDWHO already shaky on the left edge. Into the range. First shot from CDWHO. Off the plate. Mini Metals. Another miss. Here comes NCF. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3, 4 dialed in.
Right, buckle in. We're about to run the most unhinged event of the Winter Olympics. Roof curb hockey. Pucks down. Here we go. Panels everywhere. Look out for the ductwork. Toss the confetti. Hang the banner.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the NCF Winter Olympics, where roof curbs go for gold. Center podium tonight, sleek, frost-tipped, and rocking a fresh gold medal. Down below,
Make it loud. Feel the steel. 2-6. Make it real. Standing tall. No retreat.